Yeah, the Tesla. Hi guys, what's up? It's the Fortnite here. One more time we're gonna try to have a bit of a workout with the Tesla Model X, which I'm gonna show you in a second. As you can see here on the screen, it's the Tesla Model X Performance Ludicrous mode, only done nearly 600 miles, so it's still pretty new. Have to go here, click on the 12 volts, and believe it or not, celebration mode is actually called Model Xmas. I don't know why, it's not Christmas yet, but we're gonna try this time to start the show. I have to get out, block the doors and all the other stuff. Hopefully this time it's gonna work, because last time it failed, and it failed big time. We were exactly in the same spot in the car park with shopping mall here in Essex. Hopefully it's gonna work now. The guys at Tesla told me that apparently it's because of this dual carriageway which is up there. The car may think we are actually on the road, while you can clearly see that we are in the car park. So we're just gonna get out and try it one more time. Open the door for me, please. Okay. Let's see the headlamps. Second attempt. Just a little bit closer to me. Yeah, it's been loading down. And it stopped again. Third time lucky. Hit the music. Yay. And he stopped again. Oscar will come in time to try it, but this thing's gonna work. Around. It says obstacle detected. Where would that obstacle be? Because nothing in there. Nothing in there. Att man men fick ta upp det. Någon obstacle. One more time. For some reason it says obstacle detected, or like obviously nothing around it. So it does it now. Probably I'm not gonna hear it because it's multiple traffic, but it's pretty decent. Once you open the door, it becomes louder, but the door doesn't open. Because for some reason it takes a f***ing obstacle, which I don't know what it is. So, okay. Open for me. So is the door open? I should not say it. So, just open to fuel. Healthy. We gotta try it one more time, see what's gonna happen. Nothing happens. one more time, and for the 20th time. You hear the music, disregard the motorway noise. It's motorway up there. Let's see. Are the Falcon doors gonna open or not? But for the past 19 tries, attempts, they didn't. So. See if they can open here. Nah. Again. Stop there. Yep, so long for smart cars. It's kind of dumb.